Good morning everybody and welcome to Guarantee RV here in beautiful Junction City. I'm here to show you this great Jayco Redhawk. It's a 2017 6 XD. This floor plan is very nice. I'm going to start inside because this is just a got to see. As you can see coming in here, this really nice sized slide is going to give you your dining space and your couch for entertainment. Lots of company can come and sit and enjoy a great meal, or even start a great meal and bring it outdoors, but there's plenty of room for entertaining and just relaxing. Your TV is behind me and it will matriculate out to face in that direction. Also, you've got this extra sleeping space above the drivers, which is a good full-size bed. You could sleep two little ones up there or one adult comfortably. As you can see, the cab area is super clean, very easy to navigate, and above you've got the cameras for the rear. You also have a window in the back, which is sometimes unusual to find in these little Class Cs. So that's, people like that. It's a little extra help when you're backing into your camping space. Propane 3-burner stovetop and a convection microwave. Great little refrigerator that is a 3-way. They're getting to be more and more uncommon. Lots of companies are going all electric. Great storage in your kitchen and bedroom area. You've got cabinets here, a nice sized closet for hanging, and it's deep. Very nice. And of course, your queen size bed with enough room for walking around so you can make it easily, and it will fold up when it's in. But when this slide is in, you'll still have enough room for someone to jump in while you're driving and kind of curl up, take a little cat nap. What's really nice about this, you've got a bathroom that has a window. For people that are a little claustrophobic, this is a great alternative. You've also got the shades that'll close it, but this is a wonderfully sized bathroom, bed area, dining for a 26-foot RV. Now, on top of that, but wait, there's more. Let me show you the storage outside. Of course, you've got your smaller compartments for your camping tools. This one looks like it comes with a net, a jack, another small door. But over here, if you can hear me with all this traffic, oh no, no, don't be locked. That was great planning. This goes all the way through and you've got this giant storage area, which I could get the keys for and show that to you as well. When you come down to take a look at this, I'll make sure that's ready. And of course, you've got your outside shower. This is your working area. Your generator is a large enough generator to operate all of the electrical components. It's a 4000. This is a great unit. It is priced to sell. As you can see, it's got a very good look to it with the frameless windows, and those pop out so that you can have them open while it's raining and it won't get in your house. Come down and see me. I'd love to show this to you and go on a test drive. Again, Teresa at Guarantee RV, and you can reach me at the numbers below. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you much.